The Xiaomi GT5 MAX Drone is a professional aerial photography drone equipped with an 8K HD wide-angle front lens and a bottom high-definition optical flow lens that enables you to switch shooting angles for clearer and wider photos. With advanced features designed for both beginners and professionals, the GT5 MAX offers a stable flight experience and impressive image quality. Key features: 8K HD camera. The front lens provides high-definition 8K image capture with a wide-angle view, and the bottom camera allows flexible switching between angles for more dynamic shots. Optical flow positioning ensures stable and precise hovering with the fixed point feature, enhancing flight control. Long battery life, powered by a 3.7V 1800 mAh lithium battery, offering up to 20 minutes of flight time for extended aerial sessions. Customizable flight routes. Use the app to draw custom flight paths, allowing for more creative photography and videography experiences. Brushless motors provide stronger power and a longer lifespan, ensuring smooth performance and durability even in demanding conditions. Gesture photography. Easily capture photos and videos using hand gestures, adding convenience and fun to your aerial photography. Ultra-lightweight design. Weighing just 136 g, this drone avoids national air traffic control regulations, no registration needed in most countries under 250 g weight limits. Night flight capabilities. Equipped with colorful LED lights, making night flying more visually appealing and exciting. Headless mode and mobile control. The app allows you to control the drone from your smartphone with easy-to-use commands like up, down, forward, backward, and side flying. 2.4 GHz anti-interference technology provides smooth, interference-free operation, while the 6-axis gyroscope ensures balanced and steady flight. The Xiaomi GT5 MAX Drone is perfect for those seeking professional-level aerial photography with a drone that's easy to carry, operate, and maintain, featuring a foldable design, advanced technology, and lightweight construction.